The next video that I'm going to work on is I'm going to show you how to print and also make bundle tickets for the sewing line. Go into Byte and sign on. I always start with your home page if you forget. Now we're going to go into the labor cut management. Go to cuts. Here prompts you a window for cuts. Here in this you can also do the same thing. We're going to start a new record. Come up to record, click on new, or you can click on this one. This would take you to a new record template. So here, this is where you can enter the new cut. Under routing, you can select the facility that you want. In this case, we're doing MK2. Style, select the styles that you like, or the styles that you're actually going to enter through the cutting tickets. Enter the cut number. In this case, we'll make something up. And if you have if this is part of a subcut, then you have a subcut, you enter it right here. We normally don't use subcuts. So this is a general information that you need. Now here you would have to assign a sew line. The purpose for doing this is because when we generate reports, this particular cut will be assigned to a particular line or supervisor, so we can track their performances. In this case, let's set, I have 18 lines set up, 18 sewing lines, and each sewing line has a dedicated supervisors. In this case, let's choose line number 2. Okay. Next, we're done with this page. We have to go into the bundles. Now here, in a cut, you have to enter the number of bundles, which also gives you the quantity total for that particular cut. So when you come here, double click this, and it'll prompt you a new window. Under mix, just leave it as no. Color, choose your color. Here I've entered a chart of colors with color codes. If you want a faster search, click on this magnifying glass. Enter the color. Let's go with black. And there you go. Double click it. Then you come to size. Here, all the sizes are here. There, as you can see, there's a total of 8 sizes or 9 sizes with t-shirts. So just follow the cutting ticket. If the cutting ticket says size small, if the cutting ticket has, let's use 3 sizes for this example. So we have small, medium, and large. Let's start out with size small. So you're gonna go and click on size small. Enter the quantity shown on the cutting ticket. For this example, we'll use 100, and then enter the number of bundles in that particular cuts. This example will use 3. And if you want to enter a lot number that associates the fabric with this cut, you can. Otherwise, you can just leave it blank. And info, if you have any information about this particular cut, you can enter as well. Otherwise, leave it blank. Then click OK. So here, you'll see size small appears. Okay. And you'll also see like a start bundle and an ending bundle. This you don't have to worry about. I'll show you a little bit later. Click on the next one. And information for black, the color is the same. We're going to change the sizes. Let's go into medium. The quantity for medium is also 100. Number of bundles, let's keep it at 3. And okay. Now you have size medium on this cut. Let's enter another one. The last one is size large. Size large, 100. This one, size large, we have 6 bundles on this one. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a total of 12 bundles of 100. So the total cut should be 1,200 pieces. So after you enter these 3 sizes, if there are no other sizes, go ahead and save it. And then what you want to do is you want to initialize it. This, what it does is it generates bundle numbers, and it also sends this cut information to the printer, to the printing ticket section. Now, when you're done here, when you finish bundling, entering the bundle numbers, go and close the window. Come over to the ticket labels. Make sure your printer's turned on, and then double click this. Check to see if it's the information's in the print query. It is here. So what we want to do is we want to print this cutout. Go to process. Now you can also have multiple cuts here. You don't have to print one at a time. You can print multiple cuts, whatever that's in this. So go to process, click on print bundle tickets, and it'll prompt you this screen, report settings. Here, as you can see, it's set to screen. You can unselect screen and select it to printer. And this, for this demo, let's use both. So I want to send it to screen and I want to send it to printer. My setting on the printer should be set correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, this on the screen, this is what you're going to get on your little gum sheet that goes with this software. And on these gum sheets should have all these barcodes, which you can later on use to scan tickets. So this will conclude this session.